Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of market prep. I'm going to see how many octopus I can get done in 1 hour. So let's get into it. one's complete. And we are at 23 minutes. We move on to the next color. Finished the second one, and I'm almost done with the third. I finished the third one, and we are at 58 minutes and 21 seconds. So I managed to get 3 completed within a little under an hour. That's not bad. I was planning on getting through most of these colors. Maybe I'll work on them later, but as it stands now, these 3 are gonna go in the bin for the October market. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you got to work on your own project while I was going ahead and working on mine. So if you want to go ahead and leave a like and comment down below if you think that there's a specific color that would do really well in a market. And again, if you liked my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.